In this video I will tell you how to fix Aldi shop app not opening problem. So it is easy, so please watch the full videos. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Aldi shop app and now tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage and here clear the cache as well as clear data. The next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone and search for, here tap on search option and after that tap on search bar and search for type Aldi shop. Now tap on this and here you will see update button option, so simply tap on update. This will fix the issue of not opening this app. So hope this video will help. Thanks.